go to a new spot, Shar. You want to re-dip?
Yeah.
I'll give you a little more paint on your potato. We're stamping with potatoes. We're making wrapping paper.
I'm gonna try.
Here, Shar. Here.
Can I try, Mom?
You got to go to a new spot with your trees.
Mom.
That's okay. It's washable. Oh, beautiful. Okay.
It's going down, Mom.
Okay. Dip lightly. A little more, Shar.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see, Shar. To stamp. Oh, dear. That's okay. Do it on the paper. That's okay. Oh, that's a good. Okay. I see what you're doing there. Oh, yeah. Good. See, it worked. Okay. Stamp your little tree now. It worked. Beautiful, Quinn.
Yeah.
Okay, Quinn, don't re-dip. Use what you have on your potato.
Yeah.
Get to the top of the wrapping paper all the way up here. Can you reach? Very nice. Ooh, that's a perfect one.
Yeah.
I love it, Shar.
I did it!
You did it! Don't re-dip, Quinny. Don't re-dip. Put the plate down. Then you don't have to re-dip every time. You can just keep going. Your little potato holds a lot of paint. Oh, here we go. That's a forest of trees. You're a little elf. What is that? Oh, the dirt underneath the trees? Did you decorate all your trees?
Yeah.
That's amazing. So we made 2 big pages of this. Now we're going to make little dollar horses and little flowers, right?
Yeah, and can I do flowers?
Yeah, you can do all of it.
Hey?
So beautiful. Okay, I'll get you a paper towel. That's homemade wrapping paper, so don't mind the mess. Good morning, kitten. Oh. Freshly out of bed, both of you. Good morning, kitten. Good morning, Tara. Good morning, Tenny. Oh no, kitten on the wrapping paper.
Cat is making paint.
Oh no.
Cat is painting.
Did you hear anything last night?
No.
You didn't?
I did hear anything. I did hear jingle bells.
You saw you heard jingles?
Yeah.
Did you check for something outside?
Yeah, but something weird. It's something weird.
Jeb barked at something this morning. He was growling at something outside. I think it was a raccoon. Why don't you check? Oh my God. Cat. Crazy cat.
Cat, you kill cat.
You're just a goofball.
I do like cat. Like a cat being a cat.
Yep, look at you too. Little Christmas babies.
I did see something black.
You heard something?
I heard something jingle, but it's not a cat.
Well, you better check if Santa dropped off Elliott. I don't know. You never know. We checked every morning this week.
No, it's not. It's not. It's something in the room.
I think you should check outside. Don't give up. Just because he wasn't here for a couple days, don't give up. Charlotte, do you want to check outside? Don't give up, Quinny. Come on. see something out there? Look down. Do you see anything out there?
Hey.
Finally? You think it happened? Ah! Come here, Shar. Shar, come here.
Can I see?
Oh my gosh.
A book about the
Charlotte, who's that? Santa left Elliott. Oh my gosh, look at that. Santa left him for us. Yay, it's Christmas. What is going on in this house?
I found chocolate bear and Elliott up there. How did I get down and down?
Oh my gosh. That crazy little guy.
Elliott had a little armband that had a little feet.
Shar, should we get the chocolate down?
Yeah.
Chocolate, Shar. Oh.
Oh, look at you. That's
Shar is barely conscious. Quinn will crop. Oh, Charlotte. You're so cute. This is the best craft ever. You're doing a great job, baby Charlotte. Is that for the birds, Char? Little birds. Are they watching you? Oh, are they hungry?
Yeah.
Oh.
I see them.
Oh.
The mom to watch us. We're doing and the biggest one.
Charlotte.
Mom, the bottom makes smell like this.
Oh, they're smiling. They think, oh, this is going to be so delicious. Good job, Charlotte.
I saw the bug would be soft.
Yeah, I knew you were going to eat that peanut butter. You're funny, baby. Not the seed, though, right? Yucky. Yep, that's a sunflower seed. Won't hurt ya. It's not very tasty. Are you a birdie? You're a silly birdie. You're so cute.
So you're biting back.
Finish, Char, finish your little roll. You have little spaces to go. Come on. Come on, you goofball. Keep rolling your little...
Mom, where's into this, Mom?
But, oh my gosh, that's a perfect spreading job. Good job, Quinny. Did you find your elf yet? Wait, how did you see that?
Tunland.
What?
I did Elliott watching TV. With a Christmas tree necklace.
Oh.
Look.
What?
Christmas tree necklace.
Oh. Elliott, what do you have? Oh, wow, Quinny.
It kind of like a Christmas necklace.
Do you think they're for you and Charlotte?
Hey, these tiny boxes.
And they're tiny jewelry boxes with it? So that must mean it's a gift for you.
Elliott, you someone that need watching?
Do you want to see if I can sneak those necklaces off?
Yeah.
Do you think they're for you?
Yeah. And
Maybe they're for Jeb.
oh, probably they're for me and Sean. Oh, look. Here's mine and they're charged.
Yeah.
And tops.
All right, I'll see if I'm going to sneak them off, okay? Charlotte, Elliott got you a Christmas tree necklace. Whoa.
Let me kiss it. Let me taste. Bubbles on the tummy? This looks like a gingerbread. Look at this one with a heart on it. Well, she's going crazy on the chocolate chip. She can have it. She wants to take. She goes to dump it in my drink. Give me a little bit more. A little bit of tea. No. Oh my gosh.
Are you for?
No, I'm always up for cookies. I would always like another cookie. Oh. Oh me, oh my.
No, Mama, it's me and Charlotte and Graham.
Oh, so I'm not invited? Typical. Oh, look at the little mother.
Yeah, hold on to that Maggie. She's a nice little girl.
I thought you could be back there for one day.
Oh, hi, baby Maggie. Baby Maggie was found at the supermarket. Baby Maggie was found a giant all alone.
Careful.
Yeah. That came in a pack of twins. You don't want to see the other twin.
A
big celebration because it's a BBB night. Nice cake. Did you bake this cake?
Yeah, I made the cake.
Oh, what flavor did you bake tonight?
Chocolate pinky.
Pink chocolate.
Wow.
Pink chocolate. Wham, wham.
Oh, what recipe,
In your
Quinny?
head.
I got I did bacon.
Show mommy. Cookie
Wow.
I did bacon and then come like this.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. Oh, it's a beautiful cake. What delicious. Oh, you're so beautiful.
I got buttercream.
It's
Buttercream.
Queen.
Mm.
Look at you. You're fabulous. You're fabulous. You look like a bellhop.